Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl, Owen Company. Today we are going to be showing you a great way to protect the inside of your truck bed with a bed liner from Rugged Liner. Let's check it out. Rugged Liner bed liners provide full bed and tailgate coverage. Their patented liners give your truck tough protection at an affordable price. These Rugged Liners, truck bed liners, have been quality tested against the competition to prove that their liners are the thickest in the industry with superior skid resistant floors. Now these liners are super easy to install. You just place the bed liner in the bed, center it, tuck the top of the liner under the truck bed rails, and that's it. Super easy. This bed liner features increased longevity and enhanced impact resistance over your typical spray-in liner. They are made of durable material to protect against dents, dings, scratches, and cargo from shifting. Plus, the floor of the liner has a non-pooling design to avoid flooding to keep your belongings dry. And that's it today, guys. We hope you liked this video. If you liked it, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And remember to tune in every week for more truck-related products like this. See y'all next week.
We gonna